Is a stunning, absolutely drop-dead gorgeous 1963 Chevrolet Corvette fuel-injected split-window coupe. Striking factory original Daytona Blue with red vinyl interior, numbers matching factory fuel-injected example, and one of only an estimated 10 to leave the factory in this configuration. It's an iconic and timeless split-window design, the 1963 Daytona Blue split-window Vette.
Love this one, guys. Love, love, love it. Who give 450,000? 450,000. I got 100 in about 5 places. 150. Yes, 200. 200. At 150 on bid. 200. 200,000.
Well, Elliot, I hear you talk a lot about this one as well because your dad had one as a kid, right?
Yes, he had one almost exactly like this. So this is a 1963 Corvette split window. We saw one go across the block earlier, a non-fuel injected model. But this one is a Fuelie, as they call it, and that is the most desirable configuration of one of the most desirable Corvettes of all time. Now, these are just such interesting cars. So this is the first year you could ever get a Corvette as a coupe form at all. Before this, 1953 to 1962, all convertibles. First coupe ever made, and they did that iconic split in the rear window. Now, of course, it's the only year that has that because every other year the split is gone because it, hampered rear visibility. But I mean, I'm doing air quotes for that because I mean, I've driven one that's fine. Deal with it. I think it's so
backup cams are
it's so stylish that I think you can deal with a little less rear visibility. And like they said, what's behind you doesn't matter. But no, these cars are incredibly special. They use a special mechanical fuel injection system that was very finicky to figure out. But once you could figure them out, absolutely great. And like I said, my dad had one of these that was silver with red interior when I was a kid, and it was a fantastic car. We drove it to Colorado and back a few times.
Right.
I mean, that's how reliable these things can be. And they're just good-looking, good driving cars and shooting up in collectability and value.
I love the red interior too. Let's see how it does.
240 bid, 245. 245, 250. At 245. 200. I have 245. You have to be 250 because it's worth it. That's why. 250. 245 on bid. 250,000. At 250,000. At 250,000 for the first time. At 245 on bid. 250,000. 250,000. Is that a yes? Is that a yes? 250,000. At 245, 250. 250,000. Are you all done? 250, 255. I'm going to sell it tonight. 250, 255. At 250, I sell the car tonight. 250 is bid. 255. 255. 255. 260. 260. Telephone's out. 255 is in the room. I sell the car. 260. 260. At 255, 260. At 260,000 for the first time. 260,000 for the second time. Third and final call. Does you want to reconsider? Sold 255. You got a great one. Sold 255,000.